First, remove the plugs and wiring terminals, leaving only the wires. Remember the original connection method to avoid mistakes during reassembly. First, remove the plugs and wiring terminals, leaving only the wires. Then take out the old folding module and replace it with a new one. At this point, we install the new module back into place. First, thread the wires through and connect the mirror heating wires. Align the heating plug with the terminal and gently push it in, making it pass through the folding module and fit securely. Route all wires along their original paths through the housing channels to avoid pinching or bending. Prepare the wiring terminals for the turn signal and other functions. Inspect and organize all wiring terminals, turn signal, folding, etc. Check the pins and insulation parts. Secure the wires to the bracket with tape or cable ties to prevent noise. Connect all functional wire plugs and terminals. Connect the turn signal, heating unit, adjustment unit, and folding connector. Install the mirror adjustment base. Align the white motor base with the folding unit and insert it, then tighten the mounting screws to ensure it is fixed and does not wobble. Insert the turn signal wiring harness into the turn signal socket. Align the turn signal with the housing and press firmly until the bulb is fully seated. Thread the wiring through the channels, connect the rearview mirror to the base, and tighten the screws to prevent looseness. Install the mirror rear housing. Align the housing with the bracket clips. Press evenly from the edges toward the center to secure the clips, ensuring no gaps between the housing and the bracket. Align the mirror lens clips with the slots on the adjustment base. Press evenly around the lens until you hear a click. Ensure the lens is securely fastened and does not move. Function test turn on the